We believe if our quality is good, then our customer will come back. If our quality is bad, then product will come back. About Maruti Compressor. Maruti Compressor is one of the reputed manufacturer, supplier, and exporter of compressor since 2005. Our motto is, first we understand what are the exact requirements of our clients, and which is the best model suitable to our clients that we suggest our client, so our every client save their precious time, energy and money. Our mission is to be an international level leading organization in the manufacture and exports of compressor. We make various types of oil-free air compressor like medical grade compressor, dental air compressor, industrial oil-free air compressor, medium-size air compressor, duplex oil-free air compressor. And we also provide turnkey-based oil-free compressed air solution. Our oil-free air compressor widely used in the segment of food and beverages, like chocolates, tea, coffee, animal feed, fruits and vegetables, grains, aquafeed, bakery, brewery and distillery, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, agrochemicals, hospitals, power plants, all types of engineering and chemicals laboratories, cosmetics, coatings, electronics components, batteries, biorefinery and color sorter machines. Let's meet our valuable clients. Let's see what our client says. We distribute compressor in all over the world and we successfully supplied 10,000 plus installation around the globe. For business inquiry, contact us on given address.